Open enrollment begins today, and those buying insurance through the Affordable Care Act have a limited time to do so, the shortest period ever, which is why we're turning to the experts to answer our viewer questions.
Yeah, 7 Action News reporter Matthew Smith is live downtown Lansing. Matt, what are some of the biggest concerns people have?
Well, I think the big concern right now is whether or not the Affordable Care Act is actually happening, whether open enrollment is going to be happening. And because of that, I mean, we have so many questions even about whether or not this is happening. That's why we brought in Amy Milu here to answer some of those questions. So first and foremost, we know that you can still enroll. What's the biggest concern for people right now, and what are you telling them? So the biggest concern is that today is the start of open enrollment for the health insurance marketplace. So the open enrollment starts today, goes through December 15th. So you would need to pick your plan by December 15th in order for coverage to start January 1st, 2018. Open enrollment is shorter this year, so don't wait until the last minute. Get out to the marketplace and shop around for coverage. And I know even if you have a plan and you like your plan, things are changing. So your advice is don't expect it to be similar year to year. You still have to do your digging and your research. Absolutely. When you get your renewal in the mail, that's not the plan that you have to stick with for 2018. Rates are changing, plans have changed, subsidies have changed, so you may be able to get a more expensive plan for cheaper if you have a larger tax credit this year. So the biggest thing that we tell people is go to the marketplace. It's healthcare.gov and shop around for coverage. And I do want to let our viewers know that we're going to be switching over to Facebook in just a little bit, asking your questions, your concerns right now. We've actually got a laundry list of questions already that Amy and I have been talking about because some of our viewers were reaching out. One last thing I want to hit, we did talk about the differences, rates going up. How much are they going up this year on average? Do we have an idea, just kind of ballpark? Yep, on average they're about 27% rate increase, but I don't want consumers to freak out on that number because that's just average, and everybody's plan, everybody's situation is different. So tax credits are also going up this year, so you hopefully will be able to find a cheaper plan and not get that 27% increase. Certainly moving parts about this for sure. Amy's going to answer more of our questions. Like I said, we're switching over to Facebook Live in just about 2 or 3 minutes here, and we're going to make sure that your answers are given throughout the morning right here on 7 Action News. But for now, we're in downtown Lansing. Matthew Smith, 7 Action News. Yeah.